everyone. In previous video we were discussing about chemicals and chemical changes. In this chapter we have discussed chemical substances. There are the two types. One is the pure or second is the impure. Pure, two types, element and compound. Impure is the example of the mixture. We have discussed element, compound and mixture. We have discussed also atomicity, and now we are discussing chemical formula of a compound. The topic is chemical and chemical changes. This is the 7th class. Class 7. Chemical formula of a compound. So today subtopic is chemical formula of a compound. First of all, to write the chemical formula of a compound, one must follow the given steps. Number 1, write the symbols of the elements present in the one molecule of the compound side by side. First of all, you write the symbol of that elements. Clear? Second, write the number of atoms of each element in the molecules of the compound below the symbol of the element, and write the number of atoms, how many atoms are present in element. Second point is this. Now let us write down the formula of ammonia. In ammonia, the element present in the molecules of ammonia are nitrogen and hydrogen. What are elements present in ammonia? Nitrogen and hydrogen. First things is clear. Okay, write the symbol of the elements present in the molecules of the compound side by side. We have written nitrogen and hydrogen are the elements that is present in the one molecule of ammonia. Clear? Second, the number of nitrogen atoms present in one molecule of ammonia is 1. The number of atoms of hydrogen is 3. So we can write 1 or 3. There is no need to write the 1. So what is the formula of ammonia? Is NH3. Clear it? Again, in formula of ammonia, the elements present in one molecule of ammonia, one molecules of nitrogen in ammonia is 1, and at hydrogen atoms there are the 3. So we write here at number of atoms present in ammonia, nitrogen 1 and hydrogen 3. So what is the formula of ammonia? NH3. We are taking some other examples also. Now we are giving our compound H, water. Water. What is the elements of water? Element. Water is made up of two things. One is the hydrogen, second is the oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Clear it? Number of atoms. Hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. So what is the formula of water? H2, because here is the 2 atoms, and oxygen 1 atom, H2O. This is the formula of water. It is carbon dioxide. Elements are present in carbon dioxide, C, carbon and oxygen. Clear? Number of atoms 1, oxygen 2. So what is the formula? C. We write C1, there is no need to write, and O. How many atoms? 2. So what is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. Clear it? Yeah, we should take another example. Okay. Sulfuric acid. What are the elements present in sulfuric acid? Hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. What is the number of atoms of hydrogen? 2. Number of atoms of sulfur? 1. And number of atoms of oxygen? 4. So what is H? How many? 2. S 1, O 4. This is the formula of H2SO4. Clear it? H2SO4. I am writing here. One more example. Nitric acid. Elements present H, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, how many atoms? 1. Nitrogen 1 and oxygen 3. So what is the formula? H 1 N 1 O 3. This is the formula of nitric acid, HNO3. Clear? Now, chemical equations. Chemical equations, first of all I am writing the equations, then you will understand. CO2 to form CO2. Clear this? This is the chemical equations. A chemical equation is the representation of chemical reactions using the chemical symbols and formulas. Clear? A chemical reaction is the representation of a chemical reaction using the chemical symbols and formulas. It's called chemical equations. A chemical equation tells us about the reactant grade. Now you see, first of all, left hand side. You stand here, this left hand side, and this is the right hand side. This is known as the reactant. Or this is known as the product. The chemicals that react, they are known as the reactant, and the chemicals that are produced, that is known as the product. Clear it? So left hand side, you are standing like this. So left hand side, there are the reactants, and right hand side they are the product. First of all, what tell us these chemical equations? Number one, the reactant that take part in the reaction. This is known as the reactant. They take part. Second, the product formed in a reaction. This right hand side, that is known as the product. Now third one, the number of molecules of the reactant and products in this reaction.